In 2017, we took an amazing trip that part of it was in Italy, and we got to go to Burano, which is where they do all of the beautiful lace that you've seen probably adorning some of the most spectacular tables. And I actually fell in love with this piece. What we were told by the owners of the factory was that this stitch is no longer being taught. It is something that is generational, and that like kids these days just aren't learning this stitch. So when this one woman that they were talking about, this was years and years ago, is no longer here, this stitch will most likely pass with her. So this was something that we wanted to pick up. We had it framed beautifully and matted. It's something that hangs on our travel wall, and I just love the heritage and the history of it. And of course, it's lace. I mean, it couldn't be more beautiful. This is the town of Burano, where you walk down the streets and all the buildings have beautiful colors and there's a waterway. She just captured it beautifully, and this is one of those pieces that I just adore.